Well, I think I forgot the name of this town, but it's so beautiful, if you know what I mean. It's in the mountains. I can't remember. But so I have a gimbal here with me and son. I'm gonna try to shoot around. The town is beautiful, super beautiful, and I'm in love with this already. It's in the mountains, in the middle of the mountains. You know, it's called. You know what? Let me just. That dog seems very serious. Now the town is called Cicera. It's church. Okay. Just to reveal the beauty of this town, really. In the background, muy guapa in Spanish, meaning very beautiful. Set up my gimbal, but okay. I like it, but it's way too slow. 60 frame. You're so lucky, my friend. So, trying to reveal this beautiful to walk around, but because I just arrived this evening and I saw there, I was like, no, I can't just sleep while watching this stuff. I just have to go out and start shooting some stuff. So it's like, yeah, primary school teacher.
Yes.
And here you go a guarderia, is it?
No, guarderia is the first level, and then
education.
Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Pilgrims also.
If you wear like a big boot and you walk for such a very long distance, I mean, is it okay? I mean, you are not damage your foot inside?
Sometimes, yeah, you
Sometimes
can,
it's possible.
Yeah, it's possible.
So, like one day is how many kilometer average of one day to walk?
Around 20. Yesterday we did 28,
28.
and
Yesterday,
today
28,
we
and
did
today
18.
18.
The only problem you have to carry all your luggage,
All luggage.
and this is heavy.
I met these beautiful people here who are doing walking. It's called Santiago Walking Routes, I think. And they were trying to show me how it's done, kind of like explaining to me, and I had to stop for a moment and trying to understand. I think in an audio you must have catch it. The thing that people they do to and exchange the knowledge.
Have you got Instagram to follow you?
You have a camera here, no?
Yeah.
That's more one.
I use it most like
Okay.
when I talk like this, you know, it's
Okay.
like, hey, I'm trying to explain something because it's hard to use this one to vlog
Yeah,
yourself.
está guay, no lo había visto. I never seen this one. It's
Oh,
very nice.
oh yeah, this one is good, and for people like you who are walking very long distance, and it's
you have
like, yeah, this is like to get a audio. My Instagram, this one. If you want to subscribe, yeah.
Did you start in Tanzania with the video?
Yeah. In a college called Tasuba. It's in Bagamoyo. Yeah, if you
I want to see the map. Where is the well, near Dar es Salaam?
Yeah, but so I'm gonna try to wait for the rain a little bit to stop, and maybe I can carry on with the filming. But again, I met these beautiful people who are doing this Santiago walk, and I had some very long conversation with them to understand the reason and the motive behind this long walking distance. And yeah, there seems to be so much into it, but not in a religious as it used to be back in the days. It's more like fun, like a local tourism activities, and I love the Europeans' perspective and mind. You know, they are really committed to promote their own tourism attractions. I haven't done hiking for such a long, good time, and I just woke up. I can say crazy in the morning because I missed the sunrise. What my intention was, wake up. Yeah, I even set up the alarm, but still, with the alarm didn't work because I googled what time the sun is rising here in Cicera.
village and say 7:58, where it's almost, oh, yeah, it's closed. The road is closed. I need to turn around anyway, fine. My idea, because I know where it's rising from, those mountains over there. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and try to capture the sunrise. Maybe some few pictures and footage as well. Yeah, why not? Turns out, too late. I woke up, check around. Oh, it's too dark. I went back to sleep. I woke up again. Still dark. I went back to sleep. The last time I woke up, so I missed the shot I wanted to do. So perhaps I'm gonna try to hunt for the sunset. Sun is setting in a very weird timing. Damn, this village. Amazed with this village. Oh, damn.
Here in Miradel El Saplao, it's a viewing point whereby people come here from all over the place because it's on the peak of the mount, this mountain, back in the days. So there's a cave down there where they used to do a mining. Now I'm sure that the mining is running out, so now it's still like the historic place, you know, where the thing used to take place and people, they were showing up here doing some stuff, so that. Alafu kikapo ukaangalia kule chini ndo unaona bonde. Sisi tumetoka kule chini, tumekuja na hizi njia za kunyonga kama vile mlima Kitonga ama Ndololo kule Maenge, Tonga ukiwa unaelekea Iringa, ama mlima Itamba ukiwa unaenda huko Mbeya juu kabisa huko maeneo ya juu huko. Kwa hiyo inataka kufanana vile ile minyongo yake ya jinsi ya kupanda. Ni kuzuri. Hali ya hewa kama unavyoona, tumevaa jacket kwa mimi ambaye kidogo ninapata shida na baridi. Na sishangai, haishangazi hii hali kwa sababu ni juu huku, kwa hiyo ni kitu cha kawaida of course kuona hii hali ya hewa ya mondo. Lakini kunavutia sana, na uzuri wake ni kwamba kuna barabara nzuri kabisa. Nikisema nzuri namaanisha barabara za lami ambazo zinaweza kukufikisha hadi huku juu na ukaweza kufika na gari yako kabisa, ukatalii, ukaenjoy. Ya, kuna basi hapa kubwa tu. Nafikiri ni la watalii wengine waliokuja hapa juu. Wengi ni Waspanyola, wakazi wenyeji wa hapa, lakini wengine pia wanatoka sehemu nyingine tofauti wanakuja kutalii, na maisha yanaendelea. Naendelea kupiga picha, kushuti, kueleza kwa uchache ninachokijua, kwa sababu maelezo mengi yako kwenye lugha ya Kispanyola na mimi sizungumzi Kispanyola, naendelea kujifunza. Ni mwanafunzi mzuri sana wa Kispanyola. Kwa hiyo kadri siku zinavyozidi kwenda ndivyo itakavyokuwa.